Good morning, students. So, welcome in the class of accountancy. Today we are going to discuss about the goodwill and valuation of goodwill. So, first of all, we are going to discuss about the meaning of goodwill now. What is the goodwill? In a simple word, we can say that reputation, images, and popularity of a business is called the goodwill. So the question is arises in our mind: how can we calculate the value of goodwill? So the calculation of the goodwill with the help of the three formulas. One is the calculation of goodwill. One is the average profit method. Average profit method show the value of profit, how much profit earned by a firm in a number of years, means 10 years, 12 years, 5 years, 4 years. So we can easily to calculate the value of goodwill with the help of the average profit method. How can we calculate? Average profit is equal to total profit with the help of number of years and divide by number of years. So how much profit earned in 4 and 5 years? We will be calculate and divide by number of years, means 4 and 5. So then we can easily calculate the value of average profit. So secondly, calculation of goodwill. So goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of year purchase. So goodwill, average profit earned by a firm and multiply by how much year you are calculating the value of goodwill. So that is the multiple. So that is the first method, average profit method. So secondly, we are going to discuss about the second method now. The second method is super profit method. Super profit method show the value of profit earned by a firm with the help of the average and normal profit. So firstly, we are calculating in the super profit method, that is the average profit of the firm. Second, calculation of normal profit of the firm. Third, calculation of super profit. And lastly, with the help of the average and normal profit, we are calculating the value of goodwill. So that is the 4 steps to calculating the value of goodwill. So then average profit. So average profit, you know it very well. The average profit calculating with the help of total profit divide by number of years. Normal profit will be calculated with the help of the investment of the firms. How much money invested by the partners to start a firm? So then we are going to be calculate that firstly. So that capital employed multiply by how much profit earned in the year. That is the thinking about to the businessman. That amount will be invested and I will earn means 8 and 10% profit according to the average money. So then normal rate of return divide by 100. So that is the normal profit. So then we are going to the step of the super profit. Super profit will be calculated with the help of the average and normal profit. So simply average profit minus normal profit, that is called the super profit. And lastly, we are going to calculate the value of goodwill. So super profit multiplied by number of year purchase, that is called the value of goodwill with the help of super profit. So lastly, the last point is capitalization of goodwill. So capitalization of goodwill with the help of average and normal profit. Average profit and super profit. So both formulas are same. So how can we calculate the value of goodwill with the help of capitalization method? So firstly, capitalization on average profit. How can we calculate? First step is calculation of average profit. So you know it very well. Total profit divided by number of years. Second question is capitalization of average profit is equal to average profit multiplied by 100 upon normal rate of return. And lastly, with the help of average capitalization of average profit, we are going to calculate the value of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to capitalization of average profit minus capital employed, means the money invested by the partners in a firm. So then easily we are going to calculate the value of goodwill with the help of capitalization of average profit. Secondly, on the base of super profit. So simply four steps. First is average profit. We are going to be calculating with the help of total amount, the total profit earned by firm. Total profit divided by number of years. Secondly, normal profit. You know it very well how can we calculate. So then capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. Lastly, super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. And lastly, the value of goodwill with the help of capitalization method. Goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 100 upon normal rate of return. So that is the easily three methods we are going to be calculate the value of goodwill. I hope you understand very well. Thank you.